Man, I could really use some yoga to relax. Hey guys, and welcome to another RYOUTfitters First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Yoga Download. It's internet-based. It is a membership, which is why there's nothing on the table. Yoga Download is a hub or resource for some of the best online yoga classes that you'll find. They offer a wide variety of yoga classes that can be anything from beginner to advanced. They can target specific areas like the lower back, legs, neck, shoulders, that kind of thing. Or they even have classes for specific goals. If you're a runner, a rock climber, if you're a guy, if you're a girl, there's no distinction. They have a yoga class or yoga routine, yoga guide for you. It's incredible. In fact, Yoga Download is actually designed for progression. So if you are just starting out as a beginner yoga practitioner, you want to start out in maybe a more private setting, you have the opportunity to find the videos to help you get to where you need to be confident and grow in your yoga practice. Yoga Download started about 14 years ago and are really the pioneers of online yoga classes. Yoga Download was really the first online resource for yoga classes. If you're a longtime yoga practitioner, chances are you may have even heard of them. They've become kind of a household name for online yoga. More importantly, because they've been doing it for so long, they have an incredible team of instructors, and they just have built out a lot of routines that have worked. They've been able to tweak what they're doing and make it as good as it possibly can for you. They now actually offer a membership with 3 different tiers: an unlimited yearly, unlimited monthly, and a standard monthly. The standard monthly is $12 a month, gives you unlimited access to 1,700 plus videos. You get 2 free downloads per month and 50% off all programs and packages. Their unlimited monthly package is $18 per month. You get unlimited access to 1,700 plus streaming videos, unlimited free downloads per month, and unlimited free access to all of their programs and packages. And lastly, if you commit to the full year, their unlimited package for the full year is $10 per month, all said and done. And you get the unlimited streaming videos, unlimited downloads, and the unlimited access to their programs and packages. Plus you save 96 bucks, that's great. As I mentioned before, Yoga Download offers classes for all sorts of goals, whatever you're looking to get out of it, they can help you with that. If it's flexibility, great. If you're looking to round out your athletic ability, they have plenty of classes that can help you with that. And you can search for the perfect class that you're looking for based off of your goal, length, intensity, and instructor. A membership to Yoga Download is about the same as 1 or 2 classes per month, so it really does pay for itself. If you're short on time and you still want to have the opportunity to get a quick yoga session in, you want a little guidance, this could be the perfect thing for you. Even if you like going to a studio, this is incredible because if it's raining, if you're, again, short on time, it's easy to still get that semblance of structure and a guide to guide you through your yoga class. On top of that, if you wanted a little more privacy, you have it. You can practice right from the comfort of your living room. And with all the variety, you will never get bored. You can switch it up. You get to lead the show until you pick a teacher to tell you what to do, because that's how it works. Download their mobile app on Roku, Fire TV, or Android and have Yoga Downloads classes at your fingertips or right onto your phone. Yoga everywhere, all the time, especially in the comfort of your own home. That's it for our first look of Yoga Download. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, do all the things. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another RYOUTfitters First Look coming at you next week.